to start with. We're solving equations using logarithms. The properties are going to come into this a little bit. So you know the properties?
Yep.
The three we did yesterday?
Yep.
I hope. So if we have a problem, 2 to the x equals 70. You have no way to solve that yet. That's what I'm going to teach you today. Is how to solve this. You will need your calculator. Logarithms are like everything else in that as long as you do the same thing to both sides, you can do it. Since you have a log button on your calculator of base 10, that's what we're going to use for this particular problem. And what we're going to do is take the log of both sides. So I have the log of 2 to the x equals log of 70. Understand what we did? Now, what is the property about the exponent? Put it up front. So this x will go to the front. So I have x log of 2 equals log of 70. Then I would divide both sides by log of 2. Right? So what does x equal? And I want this to 4 decimal places. 6.1293.
How confused on that?
Did you type in log 70 divided by log 2?
Oh, no, I just did 70 divided by 2 in the one log. Okay. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense.
All right, does that make sense? Now, obviously, they're going to get easier and harder. So can we kind of work through some? Ooh, I don't want to do an E yet. We'll do an E in a minute. You know what an E is, don't you?
I don't know what it is, but I know it's
All right, that works. 10 to the 5 plus 8x. Oh, I'm sorry, it shouldn't have been equal. It should have been plus 4,200 plus 4,200 equals 84,000. Remember, I told you logarithms were used for bigger numbers. Okay, before I can take the log of both sides, I need to get it where I just have a number and an exponent on one side. Minus 4,200. So 10 to the 5 plus 8x equals what?
I didn't say that exactly, but it's
79800? Do you all agree? Now what should I do? Okay, wait a minute. You said this, I believe. Am I right?
log of 79.
Okay, I did not hear you say that. That's why I was like, is this what you said?
Yeah.
Do you agree? Anybody know what log of 10 is? 1. So this is just 1. So I don't have to worry about it, do I? So do I have 5 plus 8x equals log of 79,800. How would I solve for x? Get a number, and then what would you do with this number?
Subtract 5.
Subtract 5 and then divide by 8? You all agree with that?
How many decimal points?
Now we're going to do them all to 4. Did you get an answer?
Negative 0.0122. Yeah, that's what I got.
Negative 0.000122.
Yep.
Okay. Let's go a little bit harder. Eleven to the 1 minus 8x is equal to 9 to the 2x plus 3.
I really come up.
Since on each side of my equal, I have a number to an exponent. That's all I have. Can I go ahead and log each side? Is that all right with you?
Sure.
Can I move my exponent out front in the same step?
Yeah.
So I have 1 minus 8x log 11 equals 2x plus 3 log 9. You agree? Okay. The only thing I know to do here is to get rid of my parentheses. So I have, when I distribute this, don't I have log 11 minus 8x log 11? You agree? Equals 2x log 9 plus 3 log 9.
Oh, it's a plus 13. No, it's plus 3, not a minus 13.
Yes. All right. Are you all good with what I've done? If this was a normal algebra problem, wouldn't I get x's to one side and numbers to the other? So I'm going to move x's to the left. If it doesn't have an x, I'm going to put it on the right. Is that okay with you? So what's this log 11 going to do? Over here. So I have negative 8x log 11 minus 2x log 9 equals
Negative log 11, or 3 log 9 minus log 11.
you can write it either way. Right? You all agree? Is there something I can factor out of this side? Can I factor out? Well, actually, I would just factor out an x, because isn't that what I want to solve for? So x times negative 8 log 11 minus 2 log 9 equals 3 log 9 minus log 11. Right? What would I divide by? This. So what does x equal? Divide 3 log 9 minus log 11 by negative 8 log 11 minus 2 log 9.
Negative 0.1779.
Taylor, hold your calculator up. Straight up. Cadence is trying to, did you get it?
Yeah.
She was trying to see what you put in to make sure she did it right.
I was like,
No, so Cadence could see it. Sometimes it helps to see, oh yeah, I didn't do that.
okay, yeah.
Did you do it? Did you get it?
Oh, what was the answer? Maybe.
I'm set
Maybe.
already.
They had a negative.
Yes. I had negative
Oh.
0.1779.
Is this what you got? What happened?
I don't.
My guess is
Did I not do the negative 8 log 11 or did I do 8?
it probably had something to do with your parentheses.
Oh.
Because it should have been this in parentheses divided by this in parentheses. Is that what you all did?
And you have to add a set of parentheses because the log, that's what
Puts one in, yes.
Log parentheses 11, parentheses, parentheses.
So how is this so far? Okay? Good, because I want to add something to it. Oh, it's okay, isn't it? What I want to add to it is E. All right? So if we have 5E to the 4m minus 3 is equal to, oh, I'm sorry, I messed it up again. Minus 7 equals 13. Okay? Can I get what is raised to a power by itself? How?
Add the 7.
Add the 7. So 5e to the 4m minus 3 equals 20. Now,
Did I have a 5 right there?
I will right now.
Yeah.
Yes. E to the 4m minus 3 equals 4. Because I have an e, when you take the log of both sides, you do log base e, which is ln. That's the only difference. We work the problems the same. We just use, so when I do I have 4m minus 3 ln of e equals ln of 4? Do you agree with that?
Question. I know that a log base e is like ln. So because of that, doesn't the ln already include e?
Yes.
Why would we have to write it?
Well, because when I took ln of this, you have to ln it to bring this out front.
I realized that.
And now what does this become? 1. So yeah, you have to still ln it.
I recognize you still have to ln it. It was like adding the e in again. That was confusing. Like it feels like I've added like too many e's.
So do I have 4m minus 3 equals ln of 4? How am I going to solve this? To ln of 4, what should I add?
35.
3. So 4m equals ln of 4 plus 3, and then divide by 4.
$1.0966.
X equals 1.0966. You okay with that? Okay. What if I give you a problem that looks like this? ln of x plus 2 equals 3. Instead of being in logarithm, can I put it back in exponential? Do you remember how to do that? This base, what is this base?
Or E.
E to this power, e to the 3 equals x plus 2. Do you remember that? How would I solve for x?
Subtract 2.
E cubed minus 2?
Yeah.
Right? And what is x?
Yep.
18.085. Right. You okay with that?